When playing or recording your vinyl, GraceNote will return album artwork and album and track details for the album or track that you are playing. In this example, we have recorded the following album, and GraceNote has returned different artwork and album details for each track that we have recorded. Plato will save these details with the recorded file and display them as separate album entries in your media library. As you can see via the Media List tab on the external source menu, we have different artwork for each track, even though they were all taken from the same album. You tend to see this more with greatest hits and compilation albums, but not to worry. We have a process designed to group all the tracks into the correct album with the correct artwork. We recommend this process to be actioned on your remote Android device using the Plato app. After your album is recorded and the fragmented tracks have been saved to Plato's media library, short press the Plato icon in the top left corner and select Playlist from the drop-down menu. Now select the Recently Added option. Your most recently added media will now be displayed towards the top of the screen. Select all the tracks that are from the album we have just recorded. We do this by firstly selecting the Multi-Select option. Now, simply tap all the tracks that are from the album you have recorded. The tracks will all be highlighted once selected. Then select the three dots to the right-hand side of a track that already has the correct artwork if it is available, and then select the Edit option from the pop-up menu. Don't worry if none of the tracks have the correct artwork. Simply select the three dots adjacent to any track from the album you have recorded. On screen, you will now have the editable album tags from the track that you selected the three dots from. You can also see the relevant artwork displayed in the top left corner. If you had the incorrect artwork on the track that you selected the three dots, you will see that the tags on screen are incorrect, as they reflect the artwork that was returned during the recording process and not that of the album that you recorded. Edit the tags if required by tapping on the required field and using the pop-up keyboard to manually enter the correct tags. What we are going to do now is merge all the tracks together into the same album. As we have already selected the tracks we needed from the previous screen and have now inputted the correct album tags, all we need to do is select Save Tags. This will take the album tags and artwork using the details currently on screen and implement them across all the other tracks we selected previously. Plato will always group all tracks that share the same album tags. Once you have selected Save Tags, you will find the full album in your media library, and when selected, you'll see the correct track list. All of the other previously fragmented tracks will have disappeared from the library. If you did not have the correct artwork before you selected Save Tags, tap the three dots currently displayed on screen next to the word Play All. The trick here is to have the correct artwork stored on your tablet prior to completing this action. From the menu, select the Edit option. You can take a picture of the correct artwork using your tablet's camera or by searching Google Images and saving the artwork to your camera roll. Tap the artwork on screen. This will automatically take you to your camera roll, where you can select the correct image. Once selected, this will replace the previous artwork displayed. All you need to do now is select Save Tags to apply it to all the tracks on the album. Once you select Save Tags, you'll find your album now has the correct artwork displayed and all correct tracks displayed on the track list screen. If some or all of the track numbers are numbered incorrectly, use the Edit Tag screen to put them into the correct order for this particular album. Input the correct number and select Save Tags until you have all tracks correctly numbered to match the album that you have recorded. Once you have finished editing the track numbers for each track, your album will now be displayed with the correct artwork, all tracks in the same order from the album in which you recorded from.